Here's how to cancel Discord Nitro subscription on mobile. Now, if you're in the Discord app on your iPhone or Android, you need to hop out of here because you can't do it in the app itself. Instead, let's open up a web browser and we're going to go to discord.com, but not directly to discord.com, discord.com/login. And this will give you the ability to log into your account directly on the web-based version. Again, you don't want to go to the app. You can't do this in the app. You need to stay on the web-based version. After you've done that, you could be able to see, I might need to refresh this a little bit. It's a little bit glitchy, but at the top left are those 3 lines. I can tap on those and then tap on the gear icon. And now that I'm in here, all I need to do is scroll down. You'll be able to see under billing settings, we're going to go to subscriptions. And if you have Discord Nitro on here, you'll be able to see that subscription. Just tap on it and then just tap on the cancel button and you will no longer be billed going forward.